Hello and welcome. Here I will talk about the stack structure and also I will implement it on C. Okay, so the first and the most important thing to know about stack is it works on the basis of last in first out, and it is a structure that is like a bucket, okay, like this kind of structure. So you can insert elements here and then you can remove elements. So we will need two main operations: push to insert an element and like this, and the other called pop to remove the element. Note that it's the last in and first out. So this element was the last entering and the first being removed. Okay, I will implement a display function to display the stack. Okay, and I need at least two concepts. One, to know how many elements the stack can have, so I will call it the size of the stack, and the other, how many elements already are on our stack, the count. Okay, so the size means how many we can have, and the count means how many we already have. Okay, so let's go to the implementation and we will implement the structure for the stack. Okay, so in the code here I first define the macro for the size. Okay, then a struct to stack, and I will give an alias of s, so s will mean our stack. Okay, and it will have a count and it will have a stack inside that is an array of the same dimension that is declared here, this size. Okay, so this is a structure that says we have a array of size 5, okay, and we have a count equals to 0. Okay, next we will implement the push operation. So again in the code, and here let me declare a void push and close here. If our s dot count is equals to the size, okay, if it is full, we say that printf the stack is full. Okay, and if it is not full, we printf enter element in stack, like this. I don't know the best phrase. So we will scan f decimal, right? Where is the destination of this? At the address of s dot stack, okay, in s dot count position of the array. So s dot count, since we inserted a new element, we must update s dot count with +1. Okay, also I will print f new line, so it will be more pretty. Let's go to the next operation. The next operation is the pop, the remove element. So going to the code again, we will say that we have a void called pop void function, and if s.count is equals to 0, it is empty. So we will say printf and stack is empty, and close this. Else, since the stack is not empty, we will int item, and we will say s.stack at s.count -1. Okay, so our item will be the element in in count -1. Okay, and s.count is equals to s.count -1. So we are updating how many elements the stack have, and we will say that deleted data, just for the user to know what was removed, our item. Also, I will include a new line, so this can get pretty. Okay, one last, I think, display. Let's display our stack. Okay, going again, void display, and again, if the s.count is equals to 0, if it is empty, we will say that printf stack is empty. Okay, else the stack have elements, we will do printf stack data dot, and we'll do for int I equals to s.count -1. Okay, while I is bigger or equals to 0, we will decrease the I variable. Okay, so we will print printf new line, so it will give us the sensation of a stack. Okay, and printf our decimal that is on s.stack at position I. Okay, and after all of this, we will printf a new line just to get things pretty. Also, I already have my main. It's something simple like this. I have an integer, the exit, and I have first time just to know if I have to clean the buffer, the input buffer. Okay, then I display this menu, choose an operation, 1 for push, 2 for pop, 3 to display the stack. Okay, also I have this operation, I will get the char. Okay, 1, 2, 3 or else, and in the switch, sorry, we will check if it is the number 1, the character for number 1, we will call the push function. If it's 2, we will call the pop, and if it's 3, we will call the display. Okay, and the default, if we choose another character, we will exit. Okay, and we will update our exit, and this do while will run until this is different of 0. Okay, so this is it. So copy this code and go in here and running, and let me increase the size of this. So we have this menu. I will insert one, enter element in stack 50, and I will choose display, and it show me this. Okay, let's push 20 and let's push 99, and let's display these. We have 50, 20 and 99. Okay, let's pop and let's display. Now we have 50, 20. Okay, so that's all. Okay, thank you for watching and hope you like it.